Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. In this video I have a very handy and quick tutorial for you on how to speed up your Google Chrome with memory saver mode. So guys, if for example you don't want Chrome, that is actually notorious for eating up a lot of your RAM, to clog up your resources and make it run faster as well, I will show you the steps. So go three dots, press on settings, then go to performance, and then just find this tab that as you can see is under the category of memory called memory saver. So as you can see what it does, you can also learn more about it by clicking on this link. So as it says, Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs. So if you have a million tabs open and you only use one, for example, for several minutes, those ones that are inactive will be successfully unloaded from the memory, thus freeing your RAM in your system. Pretty handy. So click this, enable it like this, choose the level from moderate to maximum, and there you have it. Enjoy the guide as always. See you next time.